In this video we're going to show you how to clean windows using vinegar, an eco-friendly and effective cleaning solution. Vinegar is not only inexpensive but also a great alternative to chemical cleaners, especially if you're looking for a natural way to achieve streak-free windows. Let's get started. Vinegar is a versatile cleaning agent that cuts through grease, removes streaks, and dissolves mineral deposits. It's particularly effective on glass surfaces like windows, making it a popular choice for eco-conscious households. For this task, you will need white distilled vinegar, water, a spray bottle, a squeegee or microfiber cloth, a bucket, and optionally, paper towels or newspapers for drying or buffing. Mix a solution of equal parts white distilled vinegar and water in a spray bottle. If your windows are particularly dirty, you might want to increase the vinegar concentration for more cleaning power. Before applying the vinegar solution, wipe down the window frames and sills with a damp cloth to remove any dust and debris. This helps prevent dirt from mixing with your cleaning solution and streaking the glass. Spray the vinegar solution liberally onto the window glass. Let it sit for a minute to break down any tough grime or mineral deposits. Use a squeegee or a clean microfiber cloth to wipe the window, starting from the top and working your way down in an S pattern to prevent streaks. If you're using a squeegee, use it to remove most of the cleaning solution from the glass, then follow up with a microfiber cloth or newspaper to dry any remaining wet spots and polish the window. Newspapers are particularly effective for getting a streak-free finish and absorbing the vinegar smell. Use a damp paper towel or a small cloth dipped in the vinegar solution to clean the corners and edges of the window glass where the squeegee or larger cloth might not reach. This ensures a thorough clean and maintains the appearance of your windows. To keep your windows looking great, clean them with the vinegar solution every few months or as needed. Regular cleaning helps prevent the buildup of grime and makes the task quicker and easier each time. And there you have it. You've just learned how to clean windows using vinegar. This simple, natural method leaves your windows sparkling clean without the use of harsh chemicals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.